cheat. Calm down.
Listen,
That's the
men, they cheat. No. Me, I can't. If you tolerate a cheating man, me, I don't tolerate it. I will not tolerate any man that cheats.
They lie, they cheat.
If you like a man that cheats, me, I don't like it. I will not tolerate cheating in my marriage.
Madam, calm down. Calm down. Listen to me. Child.
Hey!
You cheat and you have pride. Which man they cheat and they still get pride? You don't cheat. So they, I don't even know if you're the father of my children.
Jesus! One time, Jesus.
Woman our enemy. They're not good to even not be PK, we not go marry.
You need to calm down. You will not hear me. What is coming out from your mouth? This woman.
You people are getting it all wrong. I swear. It's not what I mean.